In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge topic channel with Distrokid. If your music is showing up on a separate topic channel and you want everything under your main YouTube presence, the solution is to request an official artist channel through Distrokid. Once YouTube approves it, they automatically merge your personal YouTube channel and your topic channel into one official artist channel, so your catalog, subscribers, and views live in a single place. Before you submit the request, make sure you meet the usual requirements. You need a YouTube channel that you own and control, at least one release delivered to YouTube Music through Distrokid, and your artist name should match the name on your channel. Your channel also shouldn't have any policy violations. If something's off with naming or ownership, it can delay approval, so double check those details first. When you're ready, log into your Distrokid account. Open the Distrokid official artist channel request page. Choose your artist name exactly as it appears on your releases. You'll see a field to paste your personal YouTube channel URL. You can grab that by visiting your channel on YouTube and copying the link from your browser's address bar. Be sure it's the main channel you actively use for your brand, not a secondary page or an old account. Paste the URL, review your info, and submit the request. That's all you need to do on the Distrokid side. After approval, YouTube converts your channel into an official artist channel. You'll see the music note badge appear, your topic releases will merge into the channel, and your subscribers and views will be unified so your audience isn't split. Your channel layout will also switch to an artist-focused design, highlighting your songs, albums, and playlists in a way that helps fans find your music faster. Processing time can vary. It typically takes several days, and in some cases a few weeks, for everything to complete. During this period, it's normal for things to update in stages. If you've met the requirements and your request is in, the best approach is to wait for YouTube's systems to finish the merge. To recap, request an official artist channel through Distrokid, provide your correct personal YouTube channel URL, and let YouTube handle the merge. With approval, you'll have one official home for your music, content, and community, which makes discovery simpler and your brand more consistent across YouTube and YouTube Music.